The second wave of coronavirus continues to wreak havoc in India. Every day, the cases of coronavirus are breaking records, and now the number of daily cases is touching about 4 lakhs per day. The country recorded a record 3,86,888 cases of COVID-19 in a single day on Thursday, after which the total cases of infection increased to more than 1 crore 87 lakh 54,984. According to the data from the Union Health Ministry, the number of patients being treated has crossed 3 million in India. According to the Health Ministry website, after the death of 3,501 people in the last 24 hours, the number of COVID-19 fatalities in India has gone up to more than 2,08,000. However, when compared to Wednesday's figures, there is some relief. On Wednesday, in the span of 24 hours, more than 3,600 deaths were recorded, but today the figure has come down to more than 3,500. Mumbai has shut its vaccination drive for 3 days, citing lack of adequate doses. The Greater Mumbai Municipal Corporation said that vaccination will not take place in Mumbai starting today. Vaccination in Mumbai will be completely closed for 3 days from Friday, April 30, 2021 to Sunday, May 2, 2021 due to depletion of available vaccines, the civic body said in a statement. This comes a day before the mega inoculation drive in the country for vaccinating people between 18 to 44 years. A similar situation has arisen in Delhi as well. According to a report by Hindustan Times, the Arvind Kejriwal-led government has not received its first order of jabs, and private hospitals in the city may get consignment weeks later. The Election Commission has requested the Madras High Court to restrain the media from reporting on oral observations days after the court's sharp remarks on murder charges on the election body for not stopping political rallies. In its petition, the Election Commission has said it is aggrieved with media report of the Madras High Court's oral observations, that it is singularly responsible for the situation prevalent today, and that the Election Commission should face murder charges. These reports have tarnished the image of Election Commission of India as an independent constitutional agency that is entrusted with the constitutional responsibility of conducting elections, the poll body said in a petition. Former Attorney General Soli Sorabjee, one of India's finest legal minds, died of COVID this morning. He was 91 years old. A senior lawyer and Padma Vibhushan recipient, Soli Sorabjee, was being treated at a private hospital in Delhi. Soli Jahangir Sorabji was born in Mumbai in 1930. He started his law practice in 1953 with the Bombay High Court. In 1971, he was designated senior counsel by the Supreme Court. The legal titan was involved in many landmark Supreme Court cases and argued for free speech and press freedom, limiting the police power of the state, and a vibrant democracy protected from overreach by prime ministers and governors. India received the first COVID emergency aid supplies from the United States this morning as the country fights a deadly second wave that has strained the healthcare system. Over 3 lakh cases are getting added to the country's caseload every day for more than a week, and SOS messages for hospital beds and medical oxygen have flooded social media. With more than 400 oxygen cylinders, nearly 1 million rapid coronavirus test kits, and other hospital equipments, a Super Galaxy military transporter landed at Delhi's International Airport this morning. In a tweet, US Embassy shared a picture of the supplies and said the first of several emergency COVID-19 relief shipments from the United States has arrived in India. Building on over 70 years of cooperation, the United States stand with India as we fight the COVID-19 pandemic together. #US-India Dosti. US officials said that the special flights, which will also bring equipment donated by companies and individuals, will continue into next week.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.